welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We get to doing stuff like this on Thursdays and Sundays, and I try to do it as often as possible. I am recovering from the best cold ever, let me tell you. Like, so much sarcasm. I'm not enjoying it at all, honestly. It's been like 2 years since I've been sick, and I'm not a fan. No. Anywho, hi, we're gonna be opening stuff today. I put more down in the description below about BoxyCharm. It's a monthly subscription box depending on the different tiers that you pick. I do the base box because we're keeping it simple right now. I don't need fancy, bougie, whatnot in my life, and this is perfect. So, monthly subscription, beauty, skincare, hair care, sometimes other stuff, I think, but we're just gonna get straight to the point, open it up, and see what I got. Yay! Do you guys get BoxyCharm too? Do you like it? Do you enjoy it? Do you do the plus, ultra, premium, supreme, what have you? I do not. I did once upon a time, and I feel like it just became too much for me, so let's open this. I love the boxes, by the way. And the pink on the inside. Like, BoxyCharm, don't ever change. This is perfect. I love it. Ah. Except every time, like the last, I think, 2 or 3 months, this will be 3 or 4, my box comes like we just got into some big old fight somewhere. Here's a look inside the box. I'm just gonna grab the little card from the inside. It tells you about the theme for the month of March 2022. It's Game Changer, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. Hi! Thank you! I'm a woman. On the back of the box, it tells you a little bit about everything inside of there. They're all full-size items, and I believe you get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 5. 5 full-size items. I had a debate between saying sized and size, and I confuse myself. We're gonna try and take this slow, one at a time. We're gonna start at the top and work our way down. And I like what I see for the first thing. I think I picked this one because I've been wanting to try stuff from her makeup line. I think she only has makeup. It's from Selena Gomez. It's Rare Beauty. It's Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer, and it retails for $26. Where are you? Oh, that's cute. I like the packaging. Very, like, down to earth, chill, relax. I like it. I want to open it. I should just keep my little cloud knife here so we can open things as I get them. As I open it, the little clear sticker pops up. Of course. Cute. Ooh, very nice. Fancy. This is very, like, aside from the fact that this is plastic and Rihanna's is glass, reminds me a whole lot of Rihanna's packaging, the look anyway. The look. Rare Beauty, very cute. Cool. Illuminating Primer. Whatever that means. JK. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna be so bright. $26. The next item in here is from Nude Skin by NUDESTIX. It's a Lemon Aid Detox and Glow Micro Peel for $34. Is it cheap? Yes. Huh. Because it's yellow as lemonade. Huh. Okay. So it's a 3-in-1 deep pore cleanser and skin exfoliant and skin brightening glow. What do? How to use. Apply as a mask all over your face. Finger massage to peel for 2 minutes and then rinse off with water. Use 3 to 4 times a week. That seems pretty simple. That's it? That's it? I mean, $34, so there's got to be some kind of magic behind this. I'm gonna try it. I mean, I do most, I shouldn't say most, but on the regular, I do a lot of skincare in the shower just because I'm in there anyway. So take off makeup, exfoliate sometimes. Sometimes I'll do masks like ahead of time. I wonder if you can do that in the shower. I'm gonna find out. Anywho, $34. The next item is from Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. It's the Perfect Dual Foundation Travel Set for $30. It says it's a new launch. Is this it? Quit. No. What are you? Is this it? No. Is this it? Oh God. Oh, it is. It was upside down. I couldn't see it. I was looking at the other side. I was found it. This is the Perfect Dual Quick Beat versus Mini Base. Coverage, blendability, precision. Huh. When it comes to foundation application, who here takes the title? Huh. So, big package. And I bet you there's little things inside. Cute packaging though. Yes, cute packaging. Very little items inside. And this is it. All that packaging for these tiny little things. Okay, so I guess you get like a nice soft foundation brush and a little blender. That's it. Not super wowed here. $30. That's the travel set, tool travel set. Cool. I guess. Beauty tools, nice. They're worth $30. I get my little beauty sponges from AOA Studio on Shop Miss A, and they're like $1. I buy, I think, the 6 or 8 pack because they feel so good. Even the silicone ones. But anyway, moving on. The next item's from Frank Body. It's a brightening vitamin C mask. Oh, retails for $19.95. Frank Body. I've gotten stuff from Frank Body in my boxes before. Well, pretty much everywhere, like BoxyCharm, FabFitFun. I want to say Ipsy, like the bigger ones. Anyway, cute. Do you use this on your face? Because the last one I got was for my butt. I'm not even lying. True story. How to use me. Apply a thick layer to face, rub in circular motions for 30 seconds, and leave for 5 minutes. Then rinse. Huh. It says evenly distribute sunglasses to every person you come in contact with. Repeat 2 to 3 times per week. Okay. Get it? Because it's a brightening mask. Yeah, you win. You win. How much were you? $19.95. 20 buckaroos. Pretty cool though. Just throwing it out there. And the last item, ooh, it's from UOMA Beauty. It's a Badass MF lip liner for $16 for one lip liner. But is it worth it? Here she be. Can you see it? She's a bad mother, shut your mouth. Yes. Yes. Oh, matte lip filler lip liner. Is it in the shade Angelou? That's adorable. I love the name. How do I open you while I struggle? Nice. I like how it says Badass MF right there. Angelou, UOMA. Oh, okay. Oh, girl. That went on smooth and we're matte AF. like it. Is it worth $16? I don't think so, really, but I mean, I've gotten some really good lip pencils from like ColourPop, and I think those, I mean, clearly, I think those at most are like $8, $9 if it's a special edition. But I opened both ends of the box. I'm great at this. But $16. That's a little pricey for me. I'm just gonna throw it out there. Okay. Let me add this up real quick so I can see how much the box is. For everything for this month in my BoxyCharm March 2022, it's $125.95. Not too bad. Not the greatest, but not too bad. Because I think the box is like 20. Ooh, once upon a time it was like $23 to $26 a month. Now I think it's like almost $28, $29 a month because prices everywhere are just going up, and life, you know. I think I like most of the products I got. Like for sure. My niece is probably gonna get this because I have a ton of beauty sponges. I don't really use the foundation brushes, but I like that I can give her stuff because it goes to a good home, and I like trying some stuff out too. So maybe I'll keep one of them, give her the other. I don't know. Did you guys get the same thing in your BoxyCharm this month, or is it completely different? I'm gonna go ahead and go because I kind of really want to try out some of these skincare things, and I'm not gonna do that with you because that requires me removing my face. I will catch you next time though. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.